Hello guys, you're welcome to this brand new series on Java tutorials. In this couple of video series, I'm going to be teaching you the Java programming languages from scratch, and we are going to be programming everything using our mobile device. So if you do not have access to a laptop, or you're always traveling, you're on the go and you want to learn the Java programming language, this series is for you. I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know about Java directly on your device, and we're going to be writing a couple of cool programs along the way. So in this video, I wanted to show you what we're going to be installing first of all before we get started. We're going to need an IDE actually. Okay, so we're going to need an IDE in order for us to be able to write programs for Java on our device. And there are a couple of IDEs available in the Google Play Store, but the one I've actually selected, if I search for Java IDE, you're gonna see a couple of options pop up right here. You see the Java NIDE. You're also gonna find others like Aid, JStudio, and so the ones that I think are actually the best is the Android IDE, which is Aid, and but it is premium. You gotta pay to use basically most of everything in there. So if you have some cash, you can actually use that. I don't have any cash to pay for this IDE, so I'm just gonna use the Java NIDE, which I think is the second best. But as you can see, it's not been updated since 2018. So if you do not like that, maybe you should go purchase the Aid because it is constantly being updated. So make sure you install Java NIDE, and once you do that, it should enable and open up the IDE. Okay. Okay, so it's gonna ask for permissions. Make sure you allow, and okay, it's installing right now. We're gonna wait for the installation to complete. All right. Okay, it looks like installation is complete. So here, so we got a dialog telling us to create a new Java project. All right, so let's give this project a name. We're gonna call it tutorial, and this is the project we're gonna be using for most of throughout this series. Okay. So we got com.example for package name, so we should use that. And if you don't know what a package name is, do not worry. I'm gonna be explaining all those things as we go throughout the series. So everything, if you don't know anything about Java, you don't have to worry. I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know as we progress through the series. So I'm gonna click OK right there. You see this file tree pops up. You can just slide that away from there. You can slide it back, or you can click here just to find the same thing. Everything works the same way, and you can see the file menu, new open save, blah blah blah, all those and so yeah, so I'm gonna open up the main.java file right here, and so this is what a basic Java class looks like, but we're not gonna get into any programming details in this video. I just wanted to show you guys the tool we're gonna be using, and um, how we're gonna be structuring the rest of these tutorials. So I thought I would just make this a problem oriented tutorial series so that you guys can see how programming is actually used to solve real world problems. Okay, so I went ahead and searched for where is it? Yep, I searched for programming problems, and I got this link. I think I kind of like the programming problems it actually offers, so I'm gonna open that up in a minute. Okay, so I'm going to be using this website as the resource that we're going to be using for our questions, and it's got a couple of cool questions actually. So we're going to start from the elementary. Okay, so we're going to do everything under here for the elementary, and then we're going to move over to, we're going to do almost everything in here actually. All right, we can do them. I mean, the questions just kind of long and complex, but do not worry, we'll do everything. They shouldn't be that hard. I mean, yeah. And then we're gonna go over to the intermediate. By then, you should have had all the basics of the Java programming language down, and so we basically going to be mostly um, working with algorithms in these parts. Okay, so we're going to be trying out for algorithms in order to generate stuff. So we're going to do all of this. I think this is kind of an interesting stuff here. Write a program that automatically converts English text to Morse code and vice versa. So don't worry, follow along with this tutorial series, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, we're gonna do something that's cool with that, and all is gonna be done on your mobile device. Oh, and like I said, you can actually use your PC if you want to. It doesn't actually matter. So yeah, and if I feel like it, I might also make a PC tutorial series for Java, but I'm not interested in that for right now. I'm only interested in the mobile users for now. Okay, and yeah, so we're gonna do all of this, and we're even gonna go over all of the advanced tutorials, all of the advanced questions. So I think we got 6 here, and we're gonna stop here. Okay, let me draw the line so you can see that. So we're gonna stop at number 6 here, and that's where we're gonna end everything. So yeah, and so if you follow along with this tutorial, this is all I'm promising, and we're gonna start with the first one in the next video. Okay, so this is just an introduction to everything you're gonna be learning in this series. So I'm gonna start with the first one, which is write a hello world program. We're gonna do that. See you guys in the next video.